All right, so what is the goal of the cycle diet? Well, it has multiple goals based on those realms of time that I talked about. So the cycle diet isn't just a get lean or a weight loss focused diet. That's the wrong way to think about any kind of diet strategy, even though it is the North American diet mentality way of thinking about a diet strategy. Those kinds of diets are going to put scale weight first, and you got to get over that. The cycle diet is when you actually get to the cycle dieting portion, when we start introducing overfeed, cheat days, cheat meals, things like that, is put the metabolism first kind of diet. So as I always say, coax the body and it responds. Force the body and it reacts. And most diets that you're going to follow out there never consider this. So you can't force weight off, especially in fast amount of time. I want to lose fat fast, without creating consequences for that. Your metabolic compensation system is always going to adopt, and it's always going to respond. Now, if we coax the body along, it will respond to what we're doing. If we force it to lose weight, to change the scale weight, then we're going to have a reaction down the road in the cumulative round of time, gaining all the weight back, etc. So the other goal of the cycle diet, if you stick to it, I've been on it for 30 years now, talk about sustainability, you can lower your body weight set point. In other words, if you really keep at it, instead of functioning at 200 pounds, you'll be functioning at 190 pounds, that kind of thing. So you're optimizing metabolism at a lower body weight set point and also at a leaner set point as well. So the other goal is there's no longer this bulking up and cutting down nonsense of going back and forth, which is really creates that reaction in metabolism that I talked about before, because your metabolism becomes very sluggish because of that, because you're all over the place with dieting. So your body ends up going into fat storing mode more often than not. The other goal of cycle diet, like I said, is to live in the real world, because yes, cheat days are awesome, cheat meals are awesome, cheeseburgers and fries taste good, ice cream tastes good, birthday cake on celebrations feels good. The goal that the cycle diet answers here, not just a benefit but a feature of it, is how do you indulge in these things in a way that doesn't have costly cosmetic consequences. How do you do that? By training your metabolism. So in the cycle diet, we train our metabolism to handle cheat meals, cheat days, a surplus of calories, by not storing it as fat, but by increasing our metabolism to get rid of those calories, optimizing metabolism, and keeping the weight off from staying in a relative calorie deficit.